Hi, my name is Ken. So what am I going to do today is that I'm going to unboxing this Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S. Let's get started. This is a user manual. Okay, talk about all this air purifier stuff in Chinese. Open this. So the height is actually near on my knee. Right. So I'm going to check it out. Where is the all this? This is the PowerPoint. So this is the blue filter.
Everything looks good, huh? Right. So I'm going to put it back and try to power on. No, sit in correctly. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. What am I going to do is that I need to connect to my iPhone with the Xiaomi Air Purifier 2S. So first thing first, we should download this app called Mi Home. Alright, you just tap in. Before you come into this page, right, you have to register the Mi Home account so that you can set up all the things. So first of all, I have to tap on the plus sign to get connected to this air purifier, air treatment. So Mi Air Purifier 2S. Okay. So it will try to connect this Mi Air Purifier 2S. So operation confirm. So you have to tap on, press next. Use your iPhone Wi-Fi to connect this Xiaomi Air Purifier _XXX. Okay, so go to Wi-Fi, and there, this is the one. Okay, Air Purifier MA blah blah blah. Okay, so go back to return to the app. There you go. So 6-7%. Okay, so after you finish, it will go to here, ask you to select the device location. So my one is, in my case, is that is bedroom, and tap OK. Alright, and let's get started. Alright, done. That's it. Hope you enjoy. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.